Hello guys, welcome to my channel and thank you for support. Today I'm gonna upload a video about Panasonic Bluetooth earphones. I have bought it as a Christmas present, so I will unbox it and show you. I haven't used it. Anyway, let's check. This is the box. It looks smart. There we got the device. I actually wanted to buy like without cable, but I thought that without cable there is a chance that you can lose it. So I think this is better, so you don't have chance to lose it. So here is the device. Here is the butt. Battery, I think you can change the battery. Control. Let's check what I have here. Charging cable, micro USBs. There is no adapter, so you can use your phone adapter. Okay. Lot of user manual, different languages. So I will take the English. Okay. Specifications. Power supply. DC 5 volt is 0.6 watt, internal battery 3.7 volt, lithium polymer 90 mAh, operating time approximately 4 hours 20 minutes, charging time approximately 90 minutes, charging temperature range 10 degrees Celsius. Bluetooth system specification version 4.1, wireless equipment classification class 2, 2.5 megawatt, frequency band 2.02 megahertz, maximum RF power 4 dBm, supported profiles A to TP, TGG, supported codec SBC, operating distance up to 10 meters, speaker section driver units 9mm, terminal section DC in DC 5 volt 0.6 watt, microphone section type mono, accessories section USB charging cord, earpiece set. Anyway, so this Panasonic, so I think it's good quality. Okay, and here they write you can also quick charging in 20 minutes. You can charge and you can hear music for 1 hour. And this for mobile phone, you can receive and make a call. Okay, let's check. Here we have also got some 4 pieces of silicone buds, so if we damage these we can replace this, so it's a good idea. Okay, let's check it. Let's check the sound. RL, so you have to give it like this, open it, turn on. Okay, I listen a sound that is turned on. So let's connect it to the Bluetooth. Open Bluetooth. Oh, it's connected. You can listen a sound when it's connected. Okay, I have this. Sound quality is very good. It's similar with the cable quality, so I'm happy with the sound quality. Thank you very much for watching, and I recommend it you to buy if you want to buy something like this. So yeah, thank you very much for watching.